Hi YouTube family, and this is Drive With Me again and with another video. I'm trying to keep it up for you guys to see and drive with me guys my favorite places. And I'm driving in Burbank right now, and let's go and see what's in downtown Burbank. What's going on in downtown Burbank is my favorite, one of favorite places. Very quiet, and I'm going to show you some stuff. I just introduce you to a Burbank area. Burbank is very safe, as you know. There's lots of studios, and there's a heart of Hollywood, and I can tell you can see lots of things like even big studios here in Burbank. And to live in Burbank is very pleasant. I mean, really pleasant, because the safety, school system, and everything is good. And if you want to bring, this is in my right side, this is Burbank High School. Burbank High School, look at this, how big is it? Yeah, football field, baseball, is nice. In downtown Burbank, there was in San Fernando Road, there was Ikea moved few blocks down. I would drive you there. So let's kind of go to see what's happening in downtown Burbank. And also Burbank has a beautiful mall, and they just renovated in 2019, and it's my favorite just to hang out. And also in downtown Burbank, there is Amc Theatres, is one of the busiest AMC in United States. Yes, is busiest and crowded AMC and in United States, in Burbank, downtown Burbank. So let's go guys and see downtown Burbank in the way I can explain more for you guys about this beautiful area. Thank you guys. Drive with me. Let's turn right here, guys. So I turn Magnolia, and I'm going to turn left on 3rd Street. You can see down there is people is walking. There is a Burbank Mall in my right side. You can see to the left side is public parking. The parking is biggest issue in Los Angeles. But this is in downtown Burbank, is a free parking. You can park here. Burlington in right side, part of Burbank Mall. So it's a kind of shopping area. So I'm turning left here, where right side if I go down. I'm going to pass Palm Avenue. We're just one block to downtown Burbank. So let me show you kind of Ikea. I can go and drive by Ikea and you can see it. In downtown Burbank, there is a couple of hotels, actually new hotels like Hilton. One of the branches of Hilton is here, and also Holiday Inn Hotel also. And this is Broken Egg Cafe. Broken Egg, I really like it, especially for breakfast and brunch. This is really nice restaurant in Olive Avenue. My right side is Avalon Complex. It's a nice complex. If you're looking to live somewhere close, to downtown Burbank, Avalon is one of the choices. A little bit pricey, over $2,500 rent. So I'm going to turn right here. Okay, this is San Fernando Boulevard, which is cutting all through downtown Burbank. And then I'm taking you to Ikea. You can see the newest and biggest Ikea in United States in downtown Burbank, guys. Yes, the biggest and largest Ikea in whole United States, Ikea here in Burbank. So I'm turning, even they put the name of Ikea Way here. So I have to turn left and just drive and return. So a couple of my friends actually work here. Seems quite busy, Ikea. Right here, guys, the biggest Ikea in United States in Burbank. We are driving through. Hope you enjoy it. If you're an Ikea fan, I'm not, because I have to assemble everything and I'm so bad. So it's not my favorite place to shop furniture because I can't assemble. So that's my problem. Let me know if you like to assemble anything. I want everything ready. So I'm U-turning right now. And turn right to go to San Fernando Boulevard. And Spring Hill Street from Marriott. So one of the newest hotel here in Burbank, which is very good, I think, for city of Burbank. I need to turn left on San Fernando and go exactly to downtown. Somebody doesn't have patience. On my left side is Hilton Garden Inn Hotel, as I told you, and down there is Holiday Inn on my left side also. So I'm going to drive a little bit slow. You can see here. Okay, this is downtown Burbank. You can see lots of restaurants. Like usually in United States, when we talk about downtown, it's all about like restaurants and just walking place, and everything is one place. So Burbank downtown is like this. You can see In this street and boulevard, lots of restaurants. You can find different foods. Actually, it's good. The Amc Theater that I talk about in Palm, you see Palm left. I cannot drive over there, it's just walking. And Palm in right side, you can park in public parking, and you see lots of street musicians playing there. Amc Theater. You can see front of me is renovated, brand new Burbank Mall, which is nice now. I'm going to turn right, guys, here. Five Guys is a hamburger place. So, guys, that was Burbank downtown, and you can see what's happening and what's inside of Burbank downtown. Is so fun, and hope you like this video. Please thumbs up if you're seeing for first time. Please subscribe and hit that bell for notification for new videos every week. I'm trying to do my best, and as I told you, in next month I'm traveling to Turkey, so I'm going to film for you from Turkey. Hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, you're a big support of me. Thank you for your all comments and love. Really, I appreciate it. And this is why I'm doing on Sunday afternoon. I can sit in home and do like watch movie, but I love you guys for your support, and I love to see this channel grow more with you guys, and we can enjoy our company and our videos. Thank you guys, and God bless you, and God bless everyone, guys, everywhere in the world. Thank you.